Malaysian Grand Prix. I think of hot, humid weather, a lot of thunderstorms, and a very tough race for the drivers.
Malaysia, 5.5 kilometres, 56 laps, in all 310 kilometres. 8 high-speed stretches, 3 slow turns, 2 ideal spots for overtaking, top speed 297 kilometres an hour.
Starting the lap here at the Malaysian Grand Prix, the Red Bull simulator. Long front straight, very, very wide. Braking very, very hard for the first corner. A lot of grip as we enter into turn 1. Hold the car onto the line because straight away after turn 1, then we enter into turn 2, which is a blind, tight left-hand hairpin. Accelerating hard away from there through a long right-hand sweeper. Heading now up the hill. Braking very, very hard for a tight right-hander. It's very important to get a good exit out of this corner as we're accelerating uphill. Into now a very, very fast left-hander and immediately into a right-hander, which is a very, very hard section for the car as it's incredibly quick. Into a double right-hander, which is a good little section for the spectators to watch the F1 car through there. Accelerating hard away from there. Down to turn 9. We get to look at the tower ahead at our position sometimes and see the race unfolding. Accelerating hard out of here. Traction sometimes is a problem. Again, a great viewing spot for the spectators up on the bank there. So they can watch a lot of the circuit. We accelerate away from there through a very fast little left kink, which is nice corner. And then we have a very tricky combined braking and entry to the penultimate corner of the lap. Very important to get a clean exit out of there. The driver that can have a little bit of a relax along this long back straight. Big grandstand on the left-hand side. And they watch us brake incredibly hard for the last corner, which is a tight hairpin. Very long hairpin, then opens on the exit. A clean exit is crucial for a good lap time. We accelerate hard towards the start-finish line. That's the lap of Malaysia.